So today we're going to be testing manual muscle strength for the hamstrings. So to test the intermuscles, which are the semitendinosus and the semimembrosus, you're going to put the patient into flexion. Zach, can you flex your knee for me? Okay, so that's the motion that we're going to have him perform. But to test and signifies to single out those muscles, he's going to have some medial rotation at the knee. So he's just going to turn his leg in slightly. And then this is where you would palpate to feel those muscles. Obviously, he can perform the motion, so we know he has muscle strength. So you're going to stabilize on the posterior sacrum. You're going to apply resistance just distal to the ankle. So on my count, I want you to not let me push you down, okay? Ready? Go. Hold, hold, hold. Okay? So he shows good strength in his inner hamstring muscles. So to single out the biceps femoris, he would do the same motion, but we're just going to have a lateral rotation on his knee. So again, you stabilize on the posterior sacrum. You're going to apply resistance in the same spot. Okay, is that hold? Hold, hold, hold. Alright? So he shows all of his strength in his hamstrings. But if he didn't, I would test him in a gravity eliminated position. So he would actually lay on his ipsilateral side. So Zach, go ahead and roll over onto your right. You're going to have your pelvis facing knee. We'll place a towel under the leg for reduction of friction. And again, you're just going to lift up the upper leg. You palpate on these inner muscles. And Zach, go ahead and perform knee flexion for me. Fantastic. Right? And that is how you would test them in the gravity eliminated position. Clinician errors are improper stabilization. Some of the common patient substitutions, the patient will sometimes substitute with their sartorius, which will actually cause knee flexion and a contraction of the hamstrings. So care should be taken to make sure the patient maintains proper hip extension. And sometimes a strong contraction of the gastrocs